With Christmas coming up, we're worried that if people get together with extended family without social distancing and masking, this could lead to another wave. And we want to make sure that it's not like a tsunami. We want to make sure that we don't have such an overwhelming number of cases that it becomes something like New York City was in the spring. We'd like to make sure that anybody who needs care, that the care is available for them. And that's why we're urging everybody for this year, for Christmas, to do it to celebrate only in person with those in your immediate household. And hopefully next year at Christmas, we'll have enough immunity throughout the whole community that we can go back to our normal routines. Don't visit people that are at higher risk of disease. Don't have person-to-person contact with them. The safest way to socialize with people outside of your household is to do that outside. When you're outside, there's basically an infinite volume of air to dilute the virus. When you're inside, there's a limited volume of air, so the virus is going to be more concentrated. So whatever you do, if you visit outside and socially distanced, at least 6 feet away, and wearing a mask, that's the safest way to interact with others. If you start making compromises by doing things indoors, not socially distanced, and not wearing a mask, that's going to increase risk of transmission, and I'd be very wary of doing that with anybody who is at increased risk for severe outcomes, such as those over 65 or anybody with any comorbidity, such as asthma, heart disease, kidney disease, diabetes, etc. The safest way to go shopping is making sure you're wearing a mask and those around you are wearing a mask, and to social distance. And if you find yourself in a situation that you're around people who are choosing not to wear a mask, when I'm in that situation, I move away from them. I don't want to be near them. And if I end up in a crowded situation, then I get out of that crowd. And so people don't always social distance, and people don't always wear a mask. So you have to take care of yourself. We know that the primary route of transmission is via the respiratory route, and so that's why masks and social distancing are the primary way to avoid infection. Washing your hands is great too, but it's not primarily transmitted by touching different things. So having that contactless delivery, somebody dropping something off at your front door and then them leaving and you picking it up, that's great. That poses zero to very little risk. The same with groceries. If you pre-order your groceries and you go to the grocery store and open up your trunk and they drop it off in your trunk, that's very safe.